Happy New Year and welcome to the Ambidextrous challenge. I'm right-handed, I'm trying to become left-handed. It'd be pretty cool to become ambidextrous, just write two hands, and you could save so much time writing essays. So, you guys should totally join this challenge if you haven't already. I've been trying to be left-handed for quite a while. I just never had the dedication to it, but this year I really wanted to actually do a goal, actually achieve a goal. So that's my New Year's resolution, to practice writing with my left hand every day for a year. 365 days. Yep. So let's get started. You just need a notebook and a writing utensil. How do lefties deal with this thing? It's so bumpy, but okay. Feels kind of weird writing 2019. Now I'm going to write the alphabet in uppercase. Now I'm going to do lowercase. Now I'm going to do numbers, 1 through 10. Now I think I'm going to do a sentence, just the classic, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, I think. I don't know. Beautiful. So I think that's about it. I'll probably just do this every day, I guess. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, join the challenge. We could support each other in this awesome journey. So yeah, let me know how you think I did, or thought I did. Beautiful grammar, right? Have a nice day and goodbye.